Yesterday, OpenAI changed the game. GPT-5 is here, and it's packing some of the biggest upgrades we've ever seen in ChatGPT. A single system that handles text, images, voice, and live video in one conversation. A coding engine that can build complex software on demand. Faster, smarter, more personal. Here's why you'll want to try it the moment you get access. One model to rule. Them all in the past, you had to pick between models for speed, reasoning, or vision. Now, GPT-5 routes your request automatically to the right submodel. Inside, there are two brains. GPT-5 main, optimized for speed. GPT-5 thinking, takes longer but reasons deeper. Three sizes are available: standard for high-end work, mini for balanced tasks, and nano for lightweight, cost-sensitive jobs. If you hit usage limits, routing shifts you down automatically so you can keep working. Performance upgrades. Hallucinations down 78% in reasoning mode. Context window, 256K tokens in ChatGPT, up to 400K via API. Enough for approximately 200,000 words. Smarter, faster, and more accurate across the board. You can feed it an entire novel, massive code base, or huge research dataset, and it stays on track. Multimodal superpowers text, images, voice, and now live video, all in one thread. It can analyze an image you upload, speak with more natural tone and pacing, watch a live feed like you fixing a bike, and guide you step by step. While video generation is still handled by Sora, live visual interaction is here. And for pro users, it works in higher limit voice and video sessions. Coding on demand OpenAI clearly aimed GPT-5 at Claude and other coding-focused models. During demos, it generated 400+ lines of code in 2 minutes, built a Bernoulli effect simulation from scratch, debugged multi-file projects, and ran background agents to work through complex builds. Sam Altman calls it software on demand, and it feels exactly like that. Personalization and memory. Choose one of 4 preset personalities: cynic, robot, listener, nerd, to change how it interacts. Memory now persists across sessions, remembering preferences, facts, and goals. It can track an exam prep plan or a fitness target over weeks and adapt as you progress. Integrations and quality of life. Soon, GPT-5 will connect directly to Gmail, Google Calendar, and Contacts. Once enabled, it just works. No constant toggling. You can also color code chats for project organization. Safety and limits flagged high risk for certain biochemical knowledge and advanced agent features, multi-layer filters, human review, and limited access for sensitive use cases. Harder to jailbreak, but not impossible with multi-step attacks. Hallucinations and deceptive outputs reduced but not gone. Pricing. No change for ChatGPT, plus $20 per month. Pro, $200 per month. API standard, $125 per million input tokens, $10 per million output. Mini, $0.25 per input token, $2 out. Nano, $0.05 in per dollar, $0.40 out. Mini and Nano beat older GPT 4.1 pricing by a huge margin, making large-scale use far more affordable. The bottom line: between the unified multimodal setup, expanded context, coding power, improved voice integrations, and persistent memory, GPT-5 is a leap over previous models. It's not AGI, but for developers, analysts, and creators, it's the most capable single AI package OpenAI has shipped. And with Mini and Nano, it's also far more accessible to run at scale. What do you think of GPT-5 so far? Have you spotted something amazing in your own tests? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.